Welcome back, past the Tuesday. All good, isn't it? Welcome back. Yesterday I left you in the dilemma of whether I was going to cut an A panel off, and as I said, more than likely I'll have done it. So, hopefully I made the right decision. But anyway, so what I've gone and done is I've gone and cut it off. 45 quid's worth, paperweight. Let me put you in the holster. I can try and explain a bit more about my method and my methodology. But anyway, it's one of those things, some people don't show their mistakes. I make a lot of mistakes, and I show pretty much most of them, I think. So obviously it's lining me up for being shot down in flames. But yeah, so I didn't like what I ended up doing to this A panel. I bugged it up in a couple of reasons. One, I forced the curve when I should have got it right in the first place. Also, the inner A panel, when I bolted that up tight, it forced the A panel and bent it. Which, you know, dolly and hammer, I think it's all savable. But my skills, as you mostly already know, aren't in that area. So anyway, we ended up just buying another A panel. I think, to be honest, I could have got away with it at the bottom there. You know, the hinges weren't too bad. But I don't know if I'm becoming a perfectionist. I'm mostly not. But anyway, I'm just trying to find the best angle to show you guys. So basically what I've just done at the moment, sharp edges on a lot of this stuff. Should wear gloves. So basically what I've done, bolt my new A panel just up to the hinges. Then we can get, I don't know if you're all seeing this, are you seeing this? Give or take. Straight edge, much better. Matching the curve, even better. It's curving away at the moment, that's just because obviously, yeah. So basically, in principle, this matches the curve of the door hinges all look straight and nice. We just got to try and fit it to the car like that. So yeah, all good as I say. So anyway, let's crack on and try and get it mounted and tacked and stuff. Okay, got a couple of tacks on the replacement A panel just to see where it all looking like. That's much better now. We've got a curve. What we need to do is get the wing on. At the moment it's going too far the opposite way now. We've got a curve, which is good because it causes the hinge to be better. But yeah, you can see now, well, basically the A panel's too far in. But I've only got a couple of tacks on there, so what's mostly worth doing is also checking the front panel on this as well now before we go any further, and the wing, because that obviously helps determine where it's going to be. But I've still got a bit of flex in that without forcing it. So I haven't got too much of an issue yet. I haven't welded it down the bottom here, which on the bottom lip to the sort of sill and everything, that really causes the issues and stops it twisting and bending or flexing. So yeah, cool, getting there. Yeah, alright, I'm definitely getting there. Definitely getting there. So yeah, so I'm pretty much there, apart from as soon as I put I've got to make the inner wing fit better. Inner A panel, I mean. Hinge is looking much better now. The line, I'm much happy with that. Look at this stuff. You just keep going on and on and on and again. Whether it's not using patent front ends or not, you know, who knows? Maybe the whole car's twisted. Well, I didn't put it in a jig. Woohoo! Who knows? But anyway, it's getting there. I think I can definitely make something workable now. Much happy with this A panel on there now. So I think that was the right choice to change it, even though it was a costly mistake. But most of my mistakes are quite costly normally. So anyway, let's have a bit more of a fiddle and see how we get on. Time's just ticking by. Alright, you might think I'm just showing you the same video still, but more fettling, more. I just took a smidgen out the one that just cuts down the back of the A panel again, just to bring the top in a bit more, which has made it a lot better. I think I'm going to get to the closest point of saying that's it now. I'm going to have to just try and get the A panel to fit. I've got the wing fitting, I've got the A panel fitting. And the skin pretty much matches as well. You can be here for weeks, especially if you're no good at this sort of stuff. And again, as everyone says, how good were these things when they came off the production line anyway? So I think as long as it all looks good at paint at the end and there's not too much stuff rubbing and scratching, I think I've done a good job. So gonna have to leave it there for now, and then gonna have to yeah, so next time we finally try get this RC inner A panel in and welded. And then what we've got to do is, before we forget to put the front end on, is to, I think we've got one stud and one bolt, snap bolt in the shock absorber mount, which we're going to need to get out before. It might be a hell of a lot easier doing it before the wing's on. And yeah, and we've got a hole to patch the other side as well, haven't we? So we've still got work to do before we can even put this front end on. I like to think it's in sight the end, but I still think we've got another week's worth of work yet, easily. I did see on Facebook today that 1 year ago today I was painting the jet black, so obviously we're behind, but anyway, it's not worth trying to rush it. It's going to get done when it gets done, and we'll just keep cracking on. So yeah, again, sorry guys, doesn't look like too much today, but I definitely did something honest. And I hope you sort of agree that I replaced the A panel was a good idea. I don't know where's the old one now? We're in disgust. But yeah, you can see where I've basically bent it and stuff. There's that. Let's try and keep this one flat. So as I said, I think the tricky bit is trying to put the inner A panel on, because that can easily pull it and distort it. But anyway, pasta, go have that. Cheers for following me, guys. We will get it done one day, won't we? And one last update. No race car updates yet, I'm afraid. I'm really... dashboard's arrived, which I'll do a separate video about that for the patrons to start with. If you're not a patron, check out the link below. You can be, and then you'll be able to see all the dashboard that's turned up. Very nice dashboard. But that's it. I haven't even been over there. Well, I did pop over there the other day, but... So we've got about 10 weeks, I think, to race day. Not looking too good at the moment, is it? So yeah, we need to crack on with that as well. And I know what you're saying, too many projects. But anyway, so race car definitely this week at some point. I'll give you an update.